Hey guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Now I really hope that you guys are doing well and staying safe. So guys, a couple of days ago I received a package from Indus and I thought why not share the package with you guys and open it in front of you guys. So if you're interested in knowing to see what all I got, then let's dive into this video. So this is what the package looks like. This is their bio-organic hair softener pack. Now this is a DIY kit and this retails only for Rs 273. So once when you open the kit, the first thing which you get is actually a recipe book. My most favorite part about the entire kit is actually their recipe book because I love how detailed it is. Each and every recipe is given in accordance with the page number and I feel it's like super helpful for making other different packs as well. So this book basically has all the recipes or the DIYs which you can make with the several DIY kits in this collection. Now with me I have the particularly hair softener kit. Now they come with several more hair care and skincare combo kits as well. Now since this is a DIY kit, you can actually use this according to your convenience of time. Now the one which I have, the hair softener kit, is on page number 16 of this recipe book and this has like detailed instructions of how to use these DIYs. Now in the hair softener kit you get 30 grams of amla or gooseberry powder and you get 25 ml of olive oil and 5 ml of Eucalyptus Essential Oil, and this is 100% pure and organic eucalyptus oil and it smells very fresh and organic. The amla comes with a paper like this and behind it is written all the benefits of amla, so again that is super helpful. The tube packaging of the olive oil is again super convenient so that the perfect amount of oil just comes out every time. This eucalyptus oil smells like fresh eucalyptus and you can see how it looks like. Now this entire DIY package retails just for Rs 273, which I think is very inexpensive. Now if you have short hair, you can use this DIY pack for up to 3 times, and if you have medium length hair like shoulder length hair like me, you can use it twice, and if you have long hair, you can only use this once. Now for the DIY hair softener pack, all you need are 2 spoonfuls of the Amla powder, and to that you have to add half a spoon of olive oil and 5 to 8 drops of eucalyptus oil. To that you will be adding 4 to 6 spoonfuls of water to make a paste which has a similar consistency as that of honey. Now I'll be taking some of this mask on my hand and applying it on my hair, you can see like so, and leaving it for like 15 minutes. And you don't need to necessarily use a shampoo after this, you can just rinse your hair with water, and I can already make out a difference, you guys. Like my hair feels super soft and smooth comparatively. Now just besides making a DIY hair mask, you can also use these products to make a very relaxing body serum. To 1 tablespoon of the olive oil, you can add 8 to 9 drops of the Eucalyptus Essential Oil and rub that all over your body. So it really becomes a nice, very soothing and relaxing body serum for you as well. So here on the outer carton, you can see what all products you will be receiving alongside with the prices mentioned. So again, as I mentioned, it retains only for Rs 273, which I feel is a steal at the price. On top of that, it is such a cute compact packaging. You can easily travel with it anywhere. So for instance, you're on a vacation, your skin and hair tends to feel really rough or dry, so you can easily whip up a DIY and use it, and it will not spill, and it's very easy to carry around as well. So this is non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free, non-GMO and all the other good things. All the herbs and oils of this kit are certified and it's 100% organic, and all the ingredients and everything is mentioned on the box as well, so you make sure you check it out. And also these products have a really good shelf life for at least 2 years, which is I feel is great. It's manufactured in 21, it's going to expire in 23, which is great again I feel. And with such travel size packs, it's actually quite easy to finish them up as well. Now this is suitable for every skin type, be it oily, dry or combination. This will suit them all, and all in all it's like a great product, very budget friendly, literally under Rs 300. So what more could you ask for? So guys, my review for the product is definitely a yay from my side, and I would definitely recommend you guys to check it out. The links will be provided in my description box, so make sure you check that out as well. So guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know the drill, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next one, which is going to be a beautiful makeup look dedicated for Diwali, so stay tuned, and I love all of you guys. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and bye!